Hi, everyone. Welcome back
Hello.
to our phonics. This week, we are focusing on the long E spelled blank Y. And every time you see the blank Y in this set of words, it's going to say E. What's it going to say?
E.
What's it going to say?
E.
And yesterday, we learned that when the Y is in a word that has two or more syllables, it's going to say E. So then keep that rule in your head. Remember, we're always going to read the words first, and then we're going to think about the noticings, the patterns, or the families. So let's go ahead and take a look at already line 1 here. Let me get my marker ready here. And we're going to get ready to read sound by sound. Okay, remember this is day 2, so we need to continue practicing. Here we go. Sound, 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 blend,
Chop.
Chop.
sound, sound,
E.
blend, P. Go ahead and pull it together.
Choppy.
Choppy, very good. Next word, ready? Sound,
D.
sound,
A.
sound,
D.
blend.
Dad.
Second syllable, sound,
D.
sound,
E.
blend that.
D.
Whole word blend.
Daddy.
Daddy, very good. Last word on the set, ready? Sound, sound,
L.
sound, sound, blend it.
Fluff.
Sound, sound,
E.
blend that.
Fee.
Whole word.
Fluffy.
Okay, let's reread that for automaticity's sake. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Choppy. Daddy.
And
Fluffy.
Choppy, daddy, and fluffy. Take a moment to look at these set of words and think. What do you think is the pattern that you have here, or family that we're working with, or any other noticings that you may see? Thumb to your chest as soon as you figured out something. Okay, Miss T, I saw your finger go up first. Can you share with us, what did you find in this line?
I saw all the E sounds at the end, but I also noticed that the consonants next to the E are doubled.
Excellent job. I didn't think you would notice. So in line 1, we have a double consonant and then the Y. So anything else that you may have noticed with that double consonant? Oh, yes, Ms. Hernandez, anything else?
I noticed that all the words have short vowel sounds.
Yes. So is here, is here, and is here. And for those of you who remember from past lessons in your classroom, we have short vowel sounds when we are surrounded by consonants. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, and consonant, vowel, consonant makes that vowel go or Anything else that you may have found here? Yes, Missy.
There's 2 syllables.
Yes, do you know where the split is on the syllables?
In between the 2 consonants that are doubled.
Yes, the double consonants get split in half. So you see that the, what do you call it? The syllables, chop, P, we have that split right there, right between the 2 consonants. Very nicely done. Boys and girls, this will help you when you're looking at your book and you're seeing those double consonants. That is a natural split that you can do and figure out how to blend that together. Okay, so yes, we had a couple things. Y is at the end saying long E. We have a double consonant in each one of these words. We notice that there are 2 syllables, short vowels with CVC. Wow, that's a lot of information. Let's jump to line 2. See if we can go ahead and notice something there. Ready? Sound by sound. Here we go. Sound. 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 Blend.
Luck.
Sound.
E.
Whole word.
Lucky.
Very nice. Here we go. Sound. Sound. Sound.
E.
Sound. Blend it.
Stick.
Second syllable.
E.
Whole word blend.
Sticky.
Sticky. All right, ready? Here we go. Sound. Sound. Sound.
Mm.
And then blend that. Funk.
Funk.
And then second syllable.
E.
Whole word blend.
Funky.
Funky. So let's reread that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Lucky. Sticky.
And
Funky.
lucky, sticky, and funky. And again, boys and girls, the goal is to look at that set of words and figure out what are the things that you notice, any patterns, any families. And remember, boys and girls, if this is too fast for you, give yourself some think time and pause that video. Thumb to your chest. Ms. Yakimowicz, I noticed your thumb went up first. What can you tell us? What did you notice?
I noticed that it has the CKY or the KY, which makes the key sound.
Okay, so you notice CKY is the pattern here. CKY is the pattern here.
And then KY, yeah.
Yes. So in all of these, you actually have the KY, KY, and KY. But I love that you pointed this out. Ms. Hernandez, you know the rule to that?
The CK and the K make the same sound.
Bingo. So the CK and the K make the same sound. This says k, this says k, this also says k. Something else that you may have noticed is that when you have the CK, this is always a short vowel. The rule is short vowel CK. Short vowel CK. CK. All right. Anything else that you may have noticed? Visual cue may help you out here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Miss T?
It's 2 syllables.
2 syllables. Very nice. And what did you notice about that second syllable?
It ends with the E.
Spelled?
Y.
Bingo. You only have the Y singled out and that second syllable. All right, boys and girls, we're going to jump into line 3. Remember, we're still at the beginning of the week, so we're doing sound by sound. Careful. These are open vowel syllables, so you're going to not say short vowel sounds. You're going to say the vowel by its name. Here we go. Sound. Sound.
A.
Blended.
Lay.
Sound.
Z.
Sound.
E.
Blended.
Z.
Whole word.
Lazy.
A sound. Sound.
R.
Sound.
A.
Blended.
Cray.
Sound.
Z.
Sound.
E.
Blended.
Z.
Whole word.
Crazy.
Sound. Sound.
A.
Blended.
Hey.
Sound.
Z.
Sound.
E.
Blend that.
Z.
Whole word.
Hazy.
Okay, reread that for automaticity. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Lazy.
Crazy. And
Hazy.
hazy. Lazy, crazy, and hazy. Anything that you noticed there? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
They all have the long A sound.
All of them have the long A sound. Very nice. You have the long A, open vowel A. Saying A. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss T?
I noticed that it ends with the Z sound spelled ZY.
ZY, ZY, ZY. Miss Yakimowicz?
And they have 2 syllables.
And they do all have 2 syllables. Okay, boys and girls, now we're at that point in our blending that we're down here looking at that sentence. Remember, boys and girls, this is your time to be that word detective. Remember, you're looking for words that have the long E spelled Y. So not thumb to your chest, but I want to see how many words that you can identify in the sentence. You're going to show me with your fingers how many. Ready? Give you a moment to think about that. Teachers, when you're ready, start showing me your fingers. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and start with Ms. Yakimowicz and work our way over to Ms. Hernandez and Ms. T, giving you a heads up, teacher, so you feel comfortable. Ready? Ms. Yakimowicz.
Lazy.
Lazy is 1. Ms. Hernandez.
Daddy.
Daddy. Ms. T.
Lucky.
Lucky. Back to you, Ms. Yakimowicz.
Fluffy.
Fluffy. And then back to you, Ms. Hernandez.
Kitty.
Kitty. I thought I was going to trick you there. All right. So now that you notice these words, let's go ahead and revisit them and say them back. What's the word?
Lazy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Lucky.
Lucky. Fluffy.
And
Kitty.
kitty. All right, so now that we know the words, boys and girls, having heard the words, you should feel more comfortable rereading this sentence. Ready? Here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. 3, read that back to me. 2 and 1. The lazy
Daddy
was
was lucky
to
have a fluffy
kitty.
kitty.
Wow, can you reread that for us, Miss Yakimowicz, for fluidity's sake?
The lazy daddy was lucky to have a fluffy kitty.
Okay, Miss T, you're known for our scooping. Can you scoop for us?
The lazy daddy was lucky to have a fluffy kitty.
Very nice. And remember, boys and girls, it is not unusual to have a different scooping pattern. So keep practicing and try to see if you can come up with your own. And boys and girls, it's that time again. It is not decoding. It's time for
Encoding.
And encoding requires for you to have paper, pencil, whiteboard. And if you're in our Seesaw accounts, and you should have your Seesaw open, hit that plus, hit that record button, and start spelling along with us. Boys and girls, it is not necessary for you to have this, but if you still need the scaffold, you can use it. There's no right or wrong way. Practice is practice. I'd rather you feel comfortable. Okay, teachers, when you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Lets me know that you're ready to go. Excellent. Here we go. We're going to start. The first word is putty. What's the word? Putty.
Putty.
P-U-D. Pud. D-E-D. Putty. P-U-D. Pud. D-E. Putty. Show me your work, teachers. Beautiful job. Erase. Next word. Second word on there. The word is kitty. What's the word?
Kitty.
Kitty. Watch it. Kid. Kid. D-E-D. Kid. D. Kid. Kid. D-E-D. Kitty. Careful with that first sound. Teacher, show me. Great, you did not get tricked. That is a K for kid. Kitty. Next word. Ready? Third word there. The word is lobby. What's the word?
Lobby.
Ooh. Ob. Lob. E-B. Lobby. 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 Lob. B-E. Lobby. Show me your work, teachers. Excellent. Moving on. Okay, we're going to get harder here. Let's look at the next one. Harder. The word is candy. What's the word?
Candy.
Yeah. Yummy hard word. Here we go. Can-D-E-D. Candy. 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 Show me your work. Beautiful. I have a feeling, teachers, that the reason you knew how to spell that word is because you love candy. All right.
Yes.
Next word. The word is sloppy. What's the word?
Sloppy.
Slop. Slop. P-E-P. Slop. P. Slop. Slop. P-E-P. Sloppy. Teacher, show me your work. Beautiful. Excellent job. Let's move on. That's candy, sloppy. All right. Let's see if you get this one. This word is jumpy. What's the word?
Jumpy.
Jump. E. Jump. E. Jumpy. Show me your work. Beautiful job. Excellent. You're not skipping a beat with this one. All right, let's take a look at this one. This is a little bit longer. Careful. The word is chunky. What's the word?
Chunky.
Chunky. Watch it. 2 letters are making that sound. Ch, k. Chunk, e. Ch, k. Chunk, e. Show me your work, teachers. Excellent, teachers. Great job. Okay, let's see if we can challenge ourselves. Notice that I only have one word here. Tricky word. I gave you some clues here. Ready? The word is cry baby. 3 syllables. I cry a bay e b I a b e. Cry baby. Show me your work, teachers. And yay, pat yourself on your back. Job well done. Let's go ahead and move on to the challenging part of all. That sentence. And again, boys and girls, if you need to take a moment to pause and copy this into your paper, whiteboard, or if you're using Seesaw, your drawing page, please take a moment to do that. And again, if you don't need the scaffolds, it's not necessary. You can just write it as you hear it. Write it as you hear it. And I know some of my students can write and hear at the same time. But you know what? If you need it, and that's okay. Thank you, Missy Kimowich, for letting me know. Thumb to your chest when you're ready. All right, here we go. And we start. The boy had a, the word is chunk, e. Ch, a, k, chunk, e. Ch, a, k, chunk, e. The boy had a chunky, meaty. What's the word? Meaty. Eat. Meat. E. Eat. Meat. E. Meaty. Next word is sloppy. Slop. Slop. P. Slop. Slop. E. Sloppy. And notice for these 2 words, I didn't have you say it because we practiced them up here. Meaty, sloppy, and the word is Joe. 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 The boy had a chunky, meaty, sloppy Joe. All right, teacher, show me that work. Okay. Wow, you got it. Yay! Double pat yourself on the back. Awesome job. And boys and girls, keep up the good work and keep trying your very best. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.